Be honest. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow"? How many times have you watched others succeed while you're still stuck in the same place? It sucks, right? But here's the truth. If you don't change something today, you'll wake up 5 years from now wondering where all that time went. So let's fix that right now. Know why you're losing in life. Most people fail because of 3 deadly habits. If you recognize any of these, change fast. Habit number 1. You overthink everything. You plan, you research, you prepare, but you never do anything. You say, "I want to start a business," but spend 6 months watching YouTube videos instead of just starting. Guess what? While you were thinking about it, someone else already did it. And now they're winning while you're still waiting. Habit number 2, you're addicted to comfort. You wake up, scroll TikTok, binge Netflix, and then complain that your life sucks. Bruh, if you keep doing what's easy, life will be hard. But if you start doing what's hard, life will get easy. Habit number 3, you wait for motivation. I just don't feel like it today. Sound familiar? Motivation is a scam. It won't magically show up. Successful people don't wait to feel like working. They just do it. You're not tired, you're not unmotivated, you're just lazy. So, how do you fix this? The game plan to escape mediocrity. Here's your new life blueprint. 3 steps. Follow them, and your life will change. Step 1. Move before you feel ready. You're never going to feel ready. If you wait for confidence, you'll die waiting. Start before you're ready, and confidence will follow. Want to start a YouTube channel? Post your first video today. Want to get fit? Drop down and do 10 push-ups right now. Don't think, just move. Step 2. Cut the BS distractions. No more, just 1 more episode. No more 5 more minutes on my phone. Track your screen time. If you're spending 5 hours a day scrolling, don't complain about not having time. Your dream life is waiting, but you're too busy watching dumb TikToks to claim it. Step 3. Do 1 hard thing every day. Every successful person has one thing in common. They do what's hard. They wake up early. They go to the gym even when they don't feel like it. They push through boredom. Start small. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Read a book instead of scrolling. Talk to 1 new person a day. Stack these small wins, and in 6 months, you won't even recognize yourself. Here's the deal. No one is coming to save you. No one is going to make you successful. No one is going to force you to chase your dreams. You have to do it. And if you don't, nothing changes. So are you going to sit there and keep wasting your life? Or are you finally going to do something? If you made it this far, I have a challenge for you. Drop a comment below saying, "I'm taking action." Then go do 1 hard thing right now. No excuses, no waiting, just action. Because a year from now, you're either going to look back at this moment as the day everything changed, or as just another day you let pass by. Your choice.